Skills you already have, even if you think you don't. You might already have some of the skills needed for a virtual assistant. Most people think they need special training to start virtual assistant. But if you've ever organized something for someone, managed tasks or reminders, or even used WhatsApp, email, or Google Tools, you already have the foundation. So, virtual assistant is mostly about organizing, communication, and consistency. As I said in my previous videos, it's not far from your everyday life as it sounds. So, you need to start by recognizing the skills you already use daily, and you'll be on your way to becoming the virtual assistant you ever dreamed of. Make sure you like this video, comment, and share to the people who want to become a virtual assistant and they don't know how to break into the virtual assistant field.